Hey friends, this is Atif for Well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my previous video, I told you that the Bitcoin Cash has formed a bearish bad pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone of this pattern. And I was expecting a drop, and now I'm just playing this chart. I just posted this chart on 5th of June, and now you can see that the price action has dropped more than 13% so far. And after dropping, the price action has formed another bullish bad pattern. So in today's video, we will try to have some analysis of this pattern as well, and we will also watch the different support and resistance level on the daily chart, and we will also watch this big wedge pattern that is also formed on this daily chart. And at the end of this video, we will watch this very big bullish Gartley pattern that has been formed on the monthly chart by the price action of Bitcoin Cash that can start a really very big bullish move. I'm expecting at least 160% plus move. However, it can even make more bigger move. We will try to understand this chart at the end of this video. First of all, I would like to show you this chart. And this is a daily chart. The price action has formed a bullish bad pattern, as we have discussed in my previous video that on the daily chart, the price action of Bitcoin Cash is forming the different harmonic patterns with the continuity. For example, here the price action formed a bearish bad pattern, and after dropping from the potential reversal zone of this bearish bad pattern, it formed another bullish bad pattern. And finally, it took the bullish divergence from the potential reversal zone when it was entered in the PRZ level, or the potential reversal zone that starts from 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci level. And in the meanwhile, the price action also formed another bearish bad pattern. And as in my previous video, we have seen that the price action was moving in the potential reversal zone from 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. That was a potential reversal zone or a sell zone area for this pattern, and now it is dropped more than 13%. And now if we move to the live chart, then it has formed another bullish bad pattern. This is the fourth continuously bullish bad pattern formation we can see here. And now finally the price action has entered in this potential reversal zone. This is the initial leg, and this is A to B leg that is retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. You can see this retracement level here. And then B to C leg is retraced up to 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection level. And this is the projection of A to B leg. This is the second confirmation. This was the first, and this is the second confirmation of the bullish bad. And now finally the price action has entered in this potential reversal zone that starts from 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. And after the completion of this bullish bad pattern, now the price action seems to be gearing up from here. However, we should set our stop loss here. The maximum extent of this potential reversal zone is $225. If this potential reversal zone will be broken down, then the price action may move more down for the formation of bullish crab pattern that can start from 1.27 Fibonacci retracement level that starts from here almost at $206 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and that goes up to almost at this level that is $190. And now I would like to show you the next chart, and this is the support and resistance levels, the different support and resistance levels for the price action of Bitcoin Cash. And we can see after the mid of March, the price action took a powerful bullish divergence, and since then, after that bullish divergence, the price action is moving between the 225 resistance level and the 304 resistance level. So here it has formed another parallel channel, and it is moving within this channel, and during this all it is forming the different bullish and bearish bad patterns that we have just seen here. and on this previous chart as well. At this time, the price action is retesting again and again this $225 support level. That was the previous resistance. Now it is working as a strong support for the price action. This is really very strong support, as we can see that it has been working here back in April 2019 as a strong support, and also from September 2019 up to October 2019 it has been working as a strong support, and here in November 2019 it was working at resistance, and after that in March 2020 it was working at resistance, and now at this time it is working as really very strong support. Now if the price action will start in other bullish rally from here, then we can see the price action to reach up to this next resistance level, that is up to $304. Then we have the next resistance level at $355. Then our key level, the final key level resistance would be the $500. If this resistance level will be broken down, then definitely the price action, it is really very easy for the price action to move up to the previous highest price ever in the history of the Bitcoin Cash. That was almost $4,000 on some exchanges, and it can even cross that level as well. But first of all, for the price action, it is really very necessary to cross up this level, that is $500, and we can see that this resistance level is never broken out since after this was broken down here. Like for example, it was broken down here in September 2018. After that, the price action has been making several attempts to break out the resistance, this resistance of $500, but so far it is not successful. Here we can see that 2 times the price action broke out this resistance level, but while retesting this resistance as a support, the price action failed to retain this support and move down again. And here we have the last attempt in Feb 2020, when after that all markets were moving down, the price action of Bitcoin Cash also followed the complete market from Feb 2020 to March, to mid of the March, and moved all the way down to the last support of $170, and now it is gearing up from here. Now, if I would like to show you this chart, this is really very important chart. We can see that the price action on the daily chart has formed a big wedge and moving within this wedge very well. After hitting the support, it is moving up the resistance, again hitting at the support, moving to the resistance, and I have also placed the moon phases indicator on this chart. And now we can see that this recent dark moon is appeared just above the support. That is really very positive signal. It is signaling that next time when the price action will be moved down, or if at this time, for example, the price action is moving at this level, then it will be difficult for the price action to cross down this level of the dark moon. And we have the new full moon at the resistance of the channel. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price line to cross up this level unless the new full moon will be not appeared above the resistance of this wedge. And now if I place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this wedge, I'm just selecting the complete price action moving within this wedge from this level up to this candlestick. And this is really very important indicator to see where the traders are interested to trade at what level. For example, if we watch this area from the downside, then the traders are interested up to this level, that is almost at $227. And from the upside, if we watch, the traders' interest is almost at $255. So it means that the traders are interested to trade up to the support of this wedge, and from the upside they are interested to trade almost at the resistance of the wedge. At this time, the price action is moving where the traders' interest is decreasing. Therefore, there is possibility that the price action will be again bounced from this support of the channel up to the resistance of this wedge pattern, that is almost at $256 or $57. And here I have also placed the balance of power indicator, and we can see that it is showing that the balance of power is very much equally distributed between the bears and bulls. For example, whenever it is moving down at the support, you can see that it is moving down. The balance of power is completely moving down, and it is moving up and moving down, moving up, moving down, moving up. So there is not such things are happening. For example, if the balance of power is moving down, it is not staying at the downside for the long time, or it is moving up, then it is also not staying at the upside for the long time. Yes, there is sometimes it happens that, for example, when the balance of power moved up completely, the price action did not reach up to the resistance of this wedge. And here we can see that the balance of power almost completely moved down, but we did not see that the price action reached up to the support of the wedge. And we can also see this thing here, and we can also see this thing here as well. When the balance of power moved down completely, the price action did not hit at the support. Now, in my previous video, I was expecting this move. For example, this was a chart that I shared in my previous video with you, that at that time the price action was almost at the support, at the resistance of this channel. Even already it has hit at the resistance of the channel, and the balance of power at this level, this is the 6th number, when the balance of power was moved up, and I was expecting that it will be moved down for the 7th time, and the price action will be also moved down following the indication or signal of this balance of power. Now finally we can see, after that move, the price action really moved down, the balance of power really moved down, and the price action also followed the signal of this balance of power. And after that, we have seen again that the balance of power moved up for the 7th time. The price action did not reach up to the resistance, and it moved down again, and now it is moving up again. This time I'm expecting that the price action will be moved up to the resistance of this channel, because we have already bounced several times from the support, and at this time the price action is likely to gear up. We are having a bullish candlestick also at this time. Now finally, I would like to show you really very interesting chart, and that is the formation of a really very big bullish Gartley pattern. Same as like the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other top altcoins form the Gartley pattern, and other harmonic patterns as well. But the difference between the Bitcoin Gartley and this Gartley pattern is that the Bitcoin Gartley pattern is already executed, as we have seen in my Bitcoin Gartley pattern, that the price action has moved up already in this area. But in this case, the price action has just entered in the potential reversal zone, and as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish Gartley pattern, it should enter in this area that starts from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. This is basically a projection level of A to D leg. This is a Fibonacci projection. The potential reversal zone starts from $242 and ends up to $167. As at this chart, where we have seen the support and resistance levels, then we can see that our last support is at $170. That is almost at the same level where we have the maximum extent of this potential reversal zone, that is at $167. And our potential sell zone, or this Fibonacci projection zone of A to D leg, starts from $300 up to $441. But this is not mandatory for the price line to, when it will be moved up to this level, it will be dropped down. If it will cross up this level of 0.786 Fibonacci projection, then it can even start a more powerful bullish move than the previous one, once it will be able to cross up this level, because this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement projection level is really very tough and powerful resistance for the price action. Therefore, in order to achieve the highest price ever, or at least the previous highest price level for the price line, it will be really very important to cross up this level of $441. So this was the update so far. I will also share these targets in the video's description as well. You can find in the video's description. And what do you think about this pattern and this analysis as well? And if you have any opinion or suggestions, if you want to ask any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section as well. I will definitely try my best to reach out your comments as soon as possible. And if you like the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to the channel, do share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.